About APJ Abdul Kalam. Indian aeronautical expert Abu Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam was born on October 15, 1931. He studied physics and aeronautical engineering and was born and reared in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. APJ Abdul Kalam worked as a scientist and scientific administrator for the following 4 decades, primarily at the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, and the Defence Research and Development Organisation, DRDO. Additionally, he played a key role in developing India's military missile technology as well as its civilian space programs. Consequently, APJ Abdul Kalam earned the moniker, Missile Man of India, for his contributions to the advancement of launch vehicles and ballistic missile technology. With the backing of both the governing Bharatiya Janata Party and the then opposition Indian National Congress, Kalam was chosen as India's 11th president in 2002. He served one term as People's President, before returning to his civilian life of teaching, writing, and public service. He had received a number of honors, including the Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award in India. Dr. Kalam, who was 83 years old, succumbed to a heart attack on July 27, 2015, while giving a lecture at the Indian Institute of Management Shillong. Thousands of people, including national leaders, attended his funeral service in his hometown of Rameshwaram, where he was buried with full state honors. 33 popular inspirational and motivational quotes by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dream is not that which you see while sleeping, it is something that does not let you sleep. Dreams transform into thoughts and thoughts result in action. Determination is the power that sees us through all our frustration and obstacles. It helps in building our willpower, which is the very basis of success. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. Be active. Take on responsibility. Work for the things you believe in. If you do not, you are surrendering your fate to others. The best brains of the nation may be found on the last benches of the classroom. Life is a difficult game. You can win it only by retaining your birthright to be a person. When you look at the light bulb above you, you remember Thomas Alva Edison. When the telephone bell rings, you remember Alexander Graham Bell. Marie Curie was the first woman to win the Nobel Prize. When you see the blue sky, you think of Sir C.V. Raman. It is very easy to defeat someone, but it is very hard to win someone. Don't take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in the second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. Thinking is the capital, enterprise is the way, hard work is the solution. Man needs difficulties in life because they are necessary to enjoy success. Be active. Take on responsibility. Work for the things you believe in. If you do not, you are surrendering your fate to others. Failure will never overtake me if my definition of success is strong enough. You see, God helps only people who work hard. That principle is very clear. Building capacity dissolves differences. It irons out inequalities. We are all born with a divine fire in us. Our efforts should be to give wings to this fire and fill the world with the glow of its goodness. Once your mind stretches to a new level, it never goes back to its original dimension. To succeed in life and achieve results, you must understand and master 3 mighty forces: desire, belief, and expectation. If you want to leave your footprints on the sands of time, do not drag your feet. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. To succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal. A big shot is a little shot who keeps on shooting, so keep trying. The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing. Those who cannot work with their hearts achieve but a hollow, half-hearted success that breeds bitterness all around. You have to dream before your dreams can come true. Excellence is a continuous process and not an accident. Let us sacrifice our today so that our children can have a better tomorrow. We should not give up, and we should not allow the problem to defeat us. Man needs his difficulties because they are necessary to enjoy success. As a child of God, I am greater than anything that can happen to me. To become unique, the challenge is to fight the hardest battle which anyone can imagine until you reach your destination. Small aim is a crime.